And here we are, Bay Lake Tower. But our idea of going in the pool has been destroyed because it's raining. But it's exciting. We've never been here before. Ah, this is beautiful. Wow, so we've just checked in. We're on the 8th floor. And look how cool the pool is. That is really cool though, isn't it? It's only small, but that slide looks really funky. It does look a bit like a monorail, the tower bit, doesn't it? And then it slides down. And then this side is Magic Kingdom and Spaceship Earth. I keep saying Spaceship Earth, it's not. Yeah, it's Space Mountain. I don't know why I keep saying Spaceship Earth and it's Space Mountain. So crazy. So we are on the 8th floor and we are 7818. So this is here. 7818. In we go. Let's see. Oh. Sorry, I'm just going to take you in now so that we can see what we're going into. Oh, I think we might be in the wrong room. We only have one bed.
Let's pull up sofa.
Oh, there we go then. Sorry. That we're in the wrong room. Oh my goodness, look at this view. We're going to have to look straight away. Wow. Look at that view. It's actually a lot closer than what I think. It always doesn't look as close on the camera, does it?
No, it's a lot closer than it looks.
Amazing. And here we are. So this is our room at Bay Lake Tower. It says at Disney's Contempo Resort. Bay Lake Tower. So we've come in through the door and we're not using this, but there's a huge space here for where a connecting door would be. Then straight on my right is the bathroom. But I love this. Look at this door. How nice is that? It just slides. Sorry, I was zoomed in, I've just realised. It just slides right across like that. That is the bathroom door. So this is the bathroom. It's way bigger than our French Quarter bathroom. So we've got a bath. Oh, we've got the individual H2O products. Look at that. Soap, body wash, conditioner and shampoo. Exciting. We've got towels. We've got a little rail. And then it's really gorgeous, this. Shower head and full shower with bath as well. And we've got a little shelf there with the towels on. Sorry, I forget what I'm talking about things sometimes. You probably know from other videos that I have fibromyalgia that gives me brain fog. So nice mirror. I like these lights around the mirror there, cool. And then look at these little shelves here next to the sink as well. It's really handy. Tissues, another little nook there. And we've got like cupboards under here. So we've got a hairdryer and we've got extra toilet roll and an extra box of tissues. That's good. Then in here, wow, we've got like a full kit, not a full kitchen, but it feels like a kitchen. So we've got a sink, a proper coffee maker, a microwave, a toaster, ice bucket. We've got a fridge here. Got a trash can, got some shelves and a mirror there and a full length mirror here. What's in here? Oh wow, so I suppose if you were staying for a bit longer you wanted to fill that up with all your stuff. It's like a big rack you can fill with things. Then we've got proper mugs in here. And there's also the paper cups and plates and proper glasses. It's cool. Kitchen roll coming down from there. And under here, we've got another bin and some hand gel. We've got all the plastic cutlery, tea towel, can opener, coffee creamer, sugars. We've got the 50th anniversary blend coffee. So we've got 2 normal and 1 decaf because it's the full coffee maker. Then we've just got an empty drawer there, big drawer there with a spare kitchen roll in. And then I don't think they do anything. No, that's I was a little bit unsure. That's just decoration. But if you look at how amazing is that?
It's bigger than some kitchens.
Yeah, then in here, this is, I'm assuming, the wardrobe maybe? So there's no laundry facility though. You've got a safe, really big safe, full on iron and ironing board, extra pillow and blanket in there, lots of hangers, lots and lots of storage. Then we have a bed. We've got little bedside tables there. Lights picture. That picture's nice. It's Mickey. Another little cool pictures here. And then this is a sofa that turns into a bed. So Matilda will be sleeping on this tonight. It'd be a cool little sofa bed. Got a gorgeous oval table here, 2 chairs. Then under there we've got our remote, huge TV, and I'm not sure what's in here. Just more storage and shelves there. Then we've got 2 shelves, 2 drawers here, and then it's double there. And again, 2 big deep ones there. So that's lots of storage. You've got 2 deep, 2 there and 2 there. Then you've got a little shelf here. Then like I said, you've got all the storage in there as well. You've got the TV. You've got a beautiful mirror here again, lighting. Not sure where plugs are though. I'm not really finding plugs at the minute. Oh, there's 2 under here. There's plugs there, but I can't see a USB. There's plugs there, 2 plugs there. There is, what's here? 2 plugs that come through there. That's going to be a problem because we didn't actually bring any plugs with us because we thought everything was going to be USB. So we might struggle, but I think there might be some under here. There's plugs there, 4 plugs, and no, so we're not going to be able to. It's a bit only that for a modern hotel like this to have. Let me just double check under there. No, just plugs to have no USB sockets in the whole of the bedroom area is very strange. That's definitely not a good. I don't really like that at all. But this is our balcony.
You can see the monorail and the boats.
Yeah.
You can see the boats on
So
the river.
Matilda's just sat here now. We've got 2 chairs. It's good because it's separated by a big brick wall. So we can see the monorail going past there, going into the Contemporary. We can see the Grand Floridian there. I zoom in a little. Polynesian there on the left. Then Magic Kingdom's right there. So we were up there before on Astro Orbiters, which is there. The castle is here. Space Mountain, Tron, right there as well. And I can also see like right there is either Splash or Big Thunder Mountain. It's one of them. It's such a shame that like the weather's gone really bad. Hopefully it will start to brighten up because it's actually gone a little bit cooler as well. So hopefully it's gonna brighten up. But we're gonna have an explore anyway. It looks like they've got tennis there and then like basketball courts. You can see all the lake there as well. Beautiful, beautiful hotel. So that's going to be our tour of Bay Lake Tower. Okay, and we're back in the room. So we've just done a live for nearly an hour. It's still, well, it wasn't raining when we started it, but now it is raining. So unfortunately, we still can't go in the pool. But the only good thing is that it is open till 11 o'clock tonight. But then the bad thing is that we're kind of waiting for the fireworks that we don't know when are going to happen. We asked at the Contemporary and they actually told us that the Magic Kingdom's closed tonight for maintenance, so there will be no fireworks. Even though we know that's true because we know it's the, oh, I forgot the name is now, the something games for injured soldiers because Thingy Biden was meant to be speaking there. So my memory's going, I'm really tired now. So we know that's not right. But anyway, we might not get in the pool tonight. I don't know. I'm hoping we can do for a little bit. But also tomorrow Aunt booked lunch at Space 220 at Epcot for 11:30. So we're going to like stroll in to get in the pool in the morning. We're going to have to get up early. So yeah, we did that. We walked around the hotel, done a full tour with the hotel on our live and everything. So you can obviously watch that back. Now we've just come back to the room, and if you did watch our live, you will see I got the peanut butter pie from Contempo Cafe because I'd seen it and I just thought I'm gonna get it now while I've seen it. It's beautiful, but the lady, the magic bands haven't been working, and I haven't got told at the front desk they were working again. And mine and Matilda's has worked for the door, but in the Contemporary they said there wasn't. Flavours are coming, Magic Band's out working, so I said, well, I can try and get my card out and we'll try my card. And she's like, oh, is this all you've got? And we said, yeah. And she's like, okay, just you can just have it, it's on us. And I was like, no way. She's like, yeah. So I'm like so happy. It's our first pixie dust, or my first pixie dust. I know Matilda got to do the monorail, she reminded me. And then she was like, oh, happy anniversary. So it's so cool, because I remember last time I actually got pixie dusted at the Contemporary for a monorail cupcake. So we do have dinner soon at the Steakhouse 71, but I'm going to have a little tiny taste of it now. Okay, so I have cut it open. So this is what it looks like on the inside. And first bite, I was a little bit confused because I can taste banana. And I was like, this is a peanut butter pie. But when I read it, it does say peanut butter pie, but it's a vanilla tart shell with a peanut butter mousse, which is this, and then it's also got, sorry, I'm trying to get the right saying, a banana sauce. So it's the vanilla tart shell with the peanut butter mousse and the banana sauce. So it's really good. It's like not what I thought it was gonna be. It's like way better. I think I'm gonna have to like have another one of these before we leave.
But you may as well, seeing as you got it for free.
It's really, really good. Look at that.
I really want to buy some bread from the shop and have some toast after Matilda saying how there's a toaster, but then we'd also need to buy some butter.
I really want Pop-Tarts.
We'll have a look. We'll go and pay Disney prices for bread. That'll be £10 a loaf, please, sir.
And then you're gonna buy something to use the microwave as well.
No.
And Matilda's excited because the microwave is a popcorn setting.
Oh, I don't like
She thinks she can do popcorn.
We'll see.
It's easier. And this is our little new room, Mum. Oh, we don't have you on the other side of this door, which is very sad. It's really big. There's like a huge space like at the side of that door there. Well, not huge, but it is big. And this is like the bathroom here. It's got a funky sliding door. I've just hung my hat on it. Isn't that cool? And I've got the bathroom. We've got 5 lights in here, 3 lights. And you've got the shelf there, sorry, mirror there, lights. We've got our little H2O stir. I love this thing, like the marble. I've just put our toiletries there, another little shelf with towels. And we've got the toilet, another little shelf, and the shower's really nice. So we've got the individual toiletries. Look, the shower's lovely, look. We've got towels, we've got the little rail still to do our costumes. Lovely. And in here, because it's, we rented DVC points, and DVC is like the vacation club, it's like a kitchenette in here. So we've got like the sink with the soap, that's just a cup and got. We've got a full coffee percolator. We've got a toaster, a microwave, an ice bucket. We've got the fridge. And look at this as well. I mean, you'd have to stay here for a while to fill something like that out, wouldn't you? I suppose to put all your like food and stuff in or something. There's a bin. There's like 3 drawer shelves there. Then we've got all like condiments, like cutlery and coffee. Oh, I put that in there for Matilda. Another huge drawer there of extra kitchen rolling. Got a bin and more soap, tea towel. Kitchen roll coming from there. Then we've got like proper mugs here, glasses, some plastic, well I think it's paper plates and cups. But this is pretty, I like this like terracotta stuff. And you've got a surface here as well of a light, so it's nice, like, because you could obviously like do warm, not meals really, but you've got like a toaster, so you could have like toast for breakfast and stuff, couldn't you? I mean, there was a microwave, so you could have a few more bits. And that's back to the door, and this is the wardrobe here, which is in a bit of an awkward place really, because it's like right opposite the kitchen, isn't it? And then you've got, the safe's bigger, so we've got an ironing board, extra pillows and stuff. It's nice at the bottom, like the clothes are like tucked away. Although it's just like one bed here, picture's cool and Mickey, and then there's like a sofa there that turns out into a bed, so Matilda's gonna sleep on that. Then there's a TV, and then this is just like another big storage thing there. And this is the same on both sides, so there's like one there, and a big one there. But it's the same on both sides. And we've got all stuff storage here. Under there, another bin. Got a big table, chairs. Yeah, so this is like the view from inside. They're cool. It's like Mickey in space or something on that one. And then this is our little balcony, which is fun because like it's proper concrete. We've got two chairs. But we've only got 2 chairs though. So we can pull out one of those chairs, and there's only 2 chairs at that table as well. Yeah. Which is funny because we're a family. Yeah. But look, Mum, you've gone home and Disney decided it was that sad. It was going to rain and rain and rain. So when we checked in, it wasn't nice, was it, when you left before? So the pool was shut because it wasn't nice weather. We walked around for like 45 minutes all around the hotel and everything. And then it started to actually properly rain now as well, so we still won't be going in the pool, much of Matilda's dismay. But that's the monorail. You can see it coming in a sec now. Let's zoom in a bit. So that's like the castle there, Magic Kingdom. That's the ride we went on for, that After Orbit is at the top. That's Space Mountain, the Neutron building that they're building. You can see the bus depot all here, where we got our buses from. The Grand Floridian, where we went, you loved that hotel. The Polynesian, the Hawaiian one there. And then here comes the monorail, going through to the Contemporary. So what we have to do is, the monorail doesn't come to this one, because this is like the tower next to it. So we would have to get off the monorail in the Contemporary, and it's called like a sky bridge. You can just about see it there, this. I'm showing my finger to the camera. Where's my finger? Oh, there. That's the sky bridge that goes between the two. And there's the monorail. Pulling into the Contemporary. It's cool, isn't it? Okay, so we've had a chill. It looks like the rain might have stopped, so fingers crossed we can possibly get a little bit of time in the pool after dinner. So we are heading, we're gonna have to head down to floor 5, I think it was, down to floor 5 to get the sky bridge across to the Contemporary, and then we're gonna go down in the lift in the Contemporary to Steakhouse 71. Is that right? Did we get it down to floor 5 in here? Yeah, so floor 5 in this hotel, and then we will. Yeah, and then when we walk across to the Contemporary, we end up on floor 4. It's very strange that you start on floor 5 and end on floor 4. Oh my gosh, you are kidding! The pool is open. I can't actually believe that people are just going up the slide now. Right, but at least we know now that after tea we can come up, because by the time we've walked over here after tea, you've got changed in your costume, and you'll be ready for pool time, won't you? She's excited now, look at that. And here we are, so we've come across the sky bridge into the Contemporary. There's the monorail, and we're now gonna head around and over to the lifts to take us down to space. Oh my gosh, space 22. I'm thinking about tomorrow already. To Steakhouse 71. And here we go, Steakhouse 71. Just as you come into the Contemporary. So this used to be the Wave. So it'll be interesting to see what it looks like in here, because we did eat here when it was the Wave. We came once for breakfast. So it actually looks, it looks a little bit different, the decor inside there, but this looks pretty similar. They normally have these little kind of roundy bits when it was the Wave. Oh, I like that picture over there. And we're all checked in, and here is the menu. So they've actually given us one to scan, but then given us an actual menu as well. So there's appetizers, there's the entree, which is all the steaks, which you get served with a choice of one side and one sauce. Then they've also got fish, chicken and a Wellington. That's just the front of it. Then Matilda's actually got one of these. Well, is that what you had on the cruise, wasn't it, these? So there's specialty drinks. Then she's got a create your own meal again. So she's got cheeseburger, fish, 4 rounds beef fillet, that's good. Peanut butter and jelly chicken wings. And she can choose 2 selections again. So she can choose broccoli, green beans, sliced apples, grapes, mashed potato and ice cream sundae. Again, I don't like the way the dessert is included in your 2 options because I feel like that's a bit, I think they're taking something away there. But they're also served the same with low-fat milk, water and apple juice.
This is our first visit to the steakhouse.
Oh, look at this, Matilda. This is funky. We got the onion rings. I was going to say steakhouse onion rings. Obviously, it's the onion rings. And the server recommended them. He said they're hand cut, aren't they? Every day. They're fried straight away when they're ordered. But it does come with a spicy sriracha sauce. I thought it was. I can't remember now. But I won't be having that. But we're going to tuck in now and we'll see what they're like. Great. You know what? I actually feel like this is like I'm filming you back on the cruise for some reason. I don't know why, but it really feels like it's the cruise. I think because Matilda's menu looks pretty much like the cruise one did.
Yeah, maybe.
But what did you think of the onion rings?
Really nice, really crispy.
Really good, wasn't they? And I actually picked this up and thought, oh my god, there's loads of onion rings left. Realised it's just the tin. It's actually made of metal. But this is like the paper that Matilda had before when she had her pretzel. Yeah. And the sauce was really nice. It wasn't what I thought it was at all. I think I've got completely confused with it. But it was really, really nice. This is Matilda's. Matilda's was the 4 rounds of beef fillet. And you chose potato and broccoli. We've both got the filet mignon, haven't we? You've got the Steakhouse 71 sauce. I've got the wild mushroom sauce. I went for garlic mashed potatoes and went for potato gratin and an extra side of asparagus. Yeah, and we're all finished up. It was amazing. Matilda, how was your steak?
I enjoyed it. I just didn't enjoy getting all that on my plate.
Yeah, she didn't realise what like the juice was from before, and it upset her a little bit. I hate it, and I think I probably put her off a little bit, which I shouldn't have done, but it was hard. So anyway, this was the bill. So obviously we had Ant's fillet. He got the extra side of asparagus, just $6.50. Matilda's kids meal, $14 for Matilda's kids meal. That's a bargain. That my meal and the onion rings we got as a starter. So with tax, it was $119.37. And then there was an 18% tip or a 20% dollar tip added on top of that. But it was really good though. I think what we did with the sides was good. So you ordered an extra side, and the sides, as you can see in the picture, came in like different dishes, didn't they? Yeah. So we put all 3 in the middle here, and we just both got half of each. So it meant that we got 3 sides of our meal, because otherwise you only get 1. Yeah. So you would have done it with steak and mash or steak and asparagus, but nothing else. It worked better, didn't it, having the 3?
We had a great server as well.
Yeah, we had a great server, Brian. There he is. But we really enjoyed it in here, so we're going to go off now. Where are we going now, Matilda?
Contempo Cafe for dessert.
Oh yeah, we are going to Contempo Cafe because she wants to do a whipped cupcake. Where are we going after that, Matilda?
Room.
Where are we going after the room, Matilda? We're going there. So Brian, our server, was telling us that this photo is a print copy that has come out of the archives, and it is the opening day of Walt Disney World, and some of the cast members on this photo, their children actually now work at Steakhouse 71, which is amazing to think that. So these have all come out of the vault collection. They're not the originals, they are printed copies. But this has never been seen before, have they? Oh my gosh, wow, so that's the Contemporary, isn't it? So that's the Contemporary, the cable cars, and that's Autopia. That looks so close.
Yeah, before Space Mountain.
Wow, that's amazing. Is that them building Main Street? Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at the tram tracks going in. Wow. Yeah, that must have been the monorail opening at the Contemporary. That's the like aerial view, isn't it? Wow. Yeah, that's them like working out the buildings and what they were going to look like. Painting the door. The 3 Caballeros, look. That's I think this is part of Peter Pan, this actually, if I'm going on it today, I think that's Peter Pan. Was it Small World? Sorry. Walt Disney World, Florida, signs going up. Starting the designing stage. There he is. The main man. Who did you just say? Oh right, yeah, I said there he is, the main man. No, it's in Walt Disney. I thought you said something Dodger, and his name was something Dodger, and I was thinking, his name's not Dodger. So up we go on the escalator to Contempo Cafe. So we went to Contempo Cafe, and what did you get? Dole Whip cupcake. Matilda wasn't really feeling that. Matilda fancied a Mickey cookie sandwich bar, but we said we meant to get one less, so she chose this from the little shop that does the bakery treats. I also got the Werther's original caramel, what did I say it was? Butter bar, because I've heard people think it's really good. I know you can only get them in caramel couche in Germany, where I've got an itchy eye. I've got our hands full. It has now started to rain a little bit again, so we're literally going to go back to the room now, jump in our swimming costumes. I don't know where I'm going. But oh look, the Mickey head's lit up now as well. And people are still in the pool, and the Mickey's head is like lit up as well. That's so fun. Yeah, kids are running up the slide. They're still in the pool. We're gonna hit. We made it to the pool. I've had to just put this umbrella up though because it is actually raining, and I don't want my shoes and our drinks to get wet. Matilda's going on the slide now, so I'm gonna see her film her coming down in a minute, hopefully. She's at the top. But this is really cool. They've actually got like another little slide here as well, which everyone keeps going down, which I didn't see before. Oh no, she should be coming out in a minute. She's up there. Let's see, she's coming. So cool. Aunt's going to go and get goggles though, because we forgot our goggles. What? You okay, missus? Was it good? Was that good? Look at the little slide there as well behind you. Yeah, but look at the little slide there as well. That's cool. Right, Mummy's going to come and get in now as well. Right, I'm going to get in now because like I said, it is raining and I'm worried they're going to shut it. And I really want to go quick first. Okay, I'm going to try and film the slide as best as I can. But I have just noticed that round here, so this is like the pool areas here, then the bars there, this is the fire pit area here. So it does have its own fire pit. And also, I realised as I was coming around before, there is shower here, there is beach access here. Now on the beach here, look how cool all these lounges and things look. So imagine if it's obviously not raining, it would be really pretty and nice. You could just sit there, look out. And that's obviously the hot tub. And then you could go around the back of there, or you can actually go through this building here, which I think is pretty cool. Look, you can go all the way through this glass here, which I think is really funky. That's so cool. And then I did spy over here, but it's not actually open, so you can't actually go in it, but I dipped my foot over before. This actually is an interactive water feature, and it's a Mickey head, but it's actually closed for some reason, so it's all closed off there with these plants, and then it's closed off here. It just like chairs are not permitted in this area as well, and they're obviously using it for like storage of chairs and tables, so it's definitely not open at the minute. But I'm going to try and take you down the slide with me. Now my phone is a waterproof phone, but it's not like 100% waterproof, so I do need to make sure that I'm not like soaking my phone too much, but I'm gonna have a go. This is another cool feature. On the back of the lifeguard, it tells you the date, the temperatures, the time the pools are open, the activities in the pool, and all the park times, and what movie Under the Stars is, and the campfire, any extra magic hours. Oh, the water pageant's at 10:05 tonight. So they've actually got magic thing and fireworks at 9. Oh no, sorry, they've not got Magic Kingdom fireworks down. They don't got any more fireworks wrote down, but we'll see. So we're gonna head up, and it's pretty cool because it's got the little light up Mickey head on at the minute. The only thing I don't like about this slide is look at how dirty this is. Like, this is really, really filthy. It's not like it's rust really, but it's not actually dirt, it's rust. But like all of the nails have rusted everywhere. I mean, look at that. Like, this is a deluxe resort that you pay a premium to stay at. I know it's a DVC one as well, but that is just nasty. I don't think there's any reason for it to be like that. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna try this. Oh my gosh. I might even try and just like stop it as I get to the bottom or something. I don't know. Oh no, maybe not. Oh, I did it! So I was meant to be going down the slide filming myself and I forgot, so now I'm going down. I did it!
Was there a little girl up there with purple? Like the
Yeah, she's just like sat but not going down, so she wants to help people.
that's a little sister.
Here we go. Got it properly this time. Whoa. It's really, really fast for like a pool slide there. Like super, super fast. Hey! Managed it that time. Thank goodness. So where Matilda is, she keeps going up and down herself now, I think. She's gone up again. Yeah, I think she's gone up again now. So this is good. They actually have a drink refill station at the pool area. So this is called Cove Bar. This is some of the drinks that you can get. Some wine and things. So it's really good. The pool is literally just there and it's here. It's really nice. They've also got like hot dogs, they've got chilies, Doritos, Cheetos, they've got milk, they've got some cakes and things. Oh, here's the meal list, yeah. So that's quite good, isn't it? Get nachos, fruit, wraps, sandwiches. But what we're going to do is we're going to head out of this pool now and we're going to head over to the Contemporary. Just like magic, we're now at the Contemporary pool. So this is the splash area here. So it's quite good. Never as good as French Quarter though. French Quarter's just the best splash area, isn't it, ever? They've got a bar here called the Sand Bar. So this looks pretty cool. So it's kind of like a big pool here. Then it looks like they've got like a little spa hot tub there, one over there, and this is their slide. So I'm going to head up the slide now and give you a show of that. Here we go down the slide at the Contemporary. Oh, this is a lot nicer. Ooh, that's a bit fun. Wow, that was really fun. I love that.
Oh, we just heard some music on the balcony. We've come out and the electrical water pageant's going past. So cool. You can't hear it too well. We'll see it more when we're at the Polly, I think, but still so cool to see. To think this was an opening day attraction.
It's really good. I love it. The music.
And this is the double whip cupcake, so I'm about to cut it open and give it a go, but I thought I'd show you what it looks like first.
Wow, this is the inside of the Dole Whip cupcake. So what was inside it?
I don't know.
Pineapple. I think it's turn it around the other side. Let's have a look. I think it was like a pineapple swirl frosting with pineapple centre or something.
Looks like that. I'll go and
Yeah,
check
it
in
looks
a minute.
cool. Okay, go and have a try. Matilda's all snuggled up. We've managed to put a bed up, and I've put these like backboards up as well. Like they're the pillows that you're meant to take off, but I've put them up with a cushion like that so she can sit a little bit better up there. We had a great time in the pool. I definitely prefer the Contemporary's pool over the Bay Lake pool though. But look at the view. It's not turning out very well, and I think everything looks like a lot further away on your phone than it actually is. Like, I know people think like you're going crazy now, but honestly, like, that is a lot closer to me than what the picture is showing on my phone. And maybe just like try it, go outside at home and like put your camera on, and you'll see what I mean about like thinking the perspective of the camera is not the same. So like to me it's about, I'm looking at it now, and it's like there. Obviously like the car park's in front of me and stuff, but there's the thing, the perspective is off, isn't it, on your phone? Like that looks like it's absolutely miles away.
So
oh, go on, verdict.
It's just buttercream.
Oh, we can't really see, but go on. Frosting's buttercream.
But the inside's like a pineapple curd. It's really nice.
Oh, nice. There we go.
really hoping it's got to be happily ever after, but it's You Are the Magic. I can hear it singing.
It's what?
You Are the Magic, I could hear it singing.
So you're on the magic.
One that we watched. Who's that?
You don't realise how loud they are, do you?
Vibration that you can hear. It's so the echoes of it.
Is that it? Yes. something like gold just going up into the air, you don't know what to expect. Fireworks. No, smart.
It's amazing the noise that you hear when there's no background music. It's so loud. People shouting, I think that's it. You know when it's over because you see Main Street light back up and it's not lit back up yet. There's Tinkerbell.
Matilda. Matilda, Tinkerbell, quick, run! There she is, look. Yeah, I can see it.
Now this is the end.
Okay, so good morning everybody. This is going to end our stay at Bay Lake Tower. So as you could tell, the fireworks were really late last night. So we just kind of went straight to bed after the fireworks, but we've got up this morning and the sky is blue and beautiful and there's not a cloud in sight. So we're just sat, oh, there's a monorail going past now. Really, really amazing view. But unfortunately we have to check out. So this is going to end our stay at Disney's Bay Lake Tower. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.